Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in this video section, I want to show you guys how to actually point your domain to Cloudflare. Now before we continue, now you can see, pointing your domain to Cloudflare acts as a protective shield and performance booster for your website. It places your site behind their global network, providing free SSL, DDoS protection, and faster loading speed through caching. Now this is very important while using Cloudflare. It protects your site in different aspects. And also, if your domain is not showing in different continents or countries, like for instance, your domain is not showing or visible in Germany, in UK, so pointing your domain or changing your name server back to Cloudflare, it actually helps in giving your domain global reach. So this is how it is, and this is what Cloudflare works for. And Cloudflare has added advantage in terms of security. All right, the next section here, we'll just go straight to Cloudflare. Sorry, let me go back for beginner section. Just type Cloudflare. Now just go to www.cloudflare.com and click on it. So this is Cloudflare. You can just go to start for free. So start for free will take you guys to sign up. So I will sign up with my Google Gmail. So I want to show you guys in two steps in case you're using Hostinger or you're using a Cpanel. So they are still the same process. So I'll just click on continue. So this is how you create your Cloudflare information. Now we're going through the personal section. Let me just click on orders. So let me just go back for those who are into enterprise. If you just go to personal and professional, go to developer or engineer, then you click to 1000 plus. Then you're build and scale apps globally, protect. It all depends, it doesn't really matter. So let's say, how would you like to start building? Okay, let's just click here. Now you can also purchase your domain through Cloudflare, and it's very better when you register your domain with Cloudflare. It gives you more advantage and save you time and cost. But I won't go through this process. Let me just go back to my account home. Now this is my account overview. So I want to add my domain. Now what I usually advise people to do is, in case you're a beginner, if you purchase a domain new and you have not linked to your hosting, if you come to Cloudflare and add your domain, you will see some features, and that alone will discourage you guys. But let me show you what to do. You first link your domain to your normal host, then you go back to your hosting environment. Let me just show you guys. So you go to your domain provider where you purchase your domain from. So now this is TrueHost. Now this is my domain. So this is Hostinger and this is my domain. You go to your domain section, domain portfolio. Then let me click on manage. On this my particular domain, I want to link to Cloudflare. Now once you come to this section, so don't be confused, it's still the same process. I'm just explaining. I won't be using the Hostinger for this, but I just want to explain to you guys how you can do it. Just go to your name server section. Now this is the name server. You click on change name server, and this is the section. Before you continue, the same thing you do with your Cpanel or anywhere you get your hosting provider from. Okay, So it's just the same process. You go to manage name server. So why this is okay, this is it. Just come to use custom name server in case you're using a cPanel or a different kind of hosting that has the different understand. Just go to use custom name server, which is preferable. Now you go back to your Cloudflare. Now let me copy this my domain. Now I'll copy this domain and go back to my Cloudflare. So I'll click on add, then you click on connect a domain. So you come to this domain section here. Good. You paste this your domain just like this, and what next is you come to, let's say, okay, this should be import DNS record automatically. If you are advanced developer, you just go to manual. It's still the same process. Just then click on continue. Good. So you just select the free section. Okay. Select free plan. Now this will automatically fetch your DNS record from your hosting server. As you can see, mine fetched everything automatically. But let me just give you guys an example. What if you purchase your domain and you link to Cloudflare, you did not see all these things? How would you do it? Now that's where the most important question lies. Now before we continue, once you import your DNS and you're able to see all this information like this, now all here is showing red because I did not link my domain back to my hosting, so that's why it's showing this way. But if your domain and your hosting is linked properly, the first thing you do is you see this mail, CNAME mail. Just go to edit. Sorry. Just click on this right here. Click on this prop Z. Okay. So it should just be DNS only. If not, your mail might be having some issues. So that is what you just do here. And once you click on continue activation, now it prompts you to use the name server of the Cloudflare. Okay, it gives you a name server. So I'll click here. I'll copy this and go back here. I'll paste this. Also go back and copy this. So I'll copy this again, and I'll paste this. I'll just delete this and this. I'll click change name server. So why am I showing you guys this process is just in case you're new to all this. As you can see, this has been changed successfully. Once I go back to my Cloudflare, I'll just scroll down and click I have updated my name server. Now this is the first way you do it. Okay, I'll show you guys the second section on how to also do it. So after this, I'll show you guys just a bonus section on how to also use your Hostinger just for proper understanding. So this is it. Now it takes just 5 minutes for this to actually work. Okay, once you come to this section, just click on under attack mode. Now this will prompt Cloudflare to always verify each users and each IP whenever they visit your website. Now we're good to go. So what next is, let's go back to our overview. Automatically, you must have an email that shows you that you've already connected to Cloudflare. Let me go back to my domain. Now it shows me invalid name server. So I'll go back again. Show me my name server. As you can see, I'll come back here again, and okay, it's still the same thing. Now this might take some while before it propagates well. Okay, just leave it that way. Now secondly, if you are using Hostinger, now what I'll just do here is I'll copy this, my domain name. I'll go back again to Cloudflare, and let's see, go to account home, click on add, and connect a domain. All right, I'll do the same process here. So I'm doing the same process. I'll select the plan. Now remember, I told you guys you get an email from Cloudflare, as you can see. This is the email, we've connected it. Let me go back to this our process. Now you can see mine also fetch this, as you can see. I'll do the same thing for the email. Okay, now this is Hostinger email. I'll just turn this off. Good. Just keep them as DNS only. All right, I'll click on continue to activation. I'll come back to this section, okay? I'll come back to this section. Now you can see it automatically generates new IPs, new name server for us, okay? So go back to your Hostinger. I'll just change it to the new name server. I'll do the same process here. Then I'll click on save. Now your name server has been changed. Okay, I'll click close. Let me go back to Cloudflare. I updated my name server. I'll click on it. Good. So waiting for your registrar to propagate your new name server. It usually takes maximum 5 minutes. It still depends, but at least 5 minutes to 24 hours. Now click on under attack mode also and enable this. So let me go back to, okay, as you can see, the one I did with your Hostinger has propagated already. Now most times it depends on your domain provider. It takes time before they propagate it. Most times it takes like 1 hour, sometimes 2 minutes. It all depends. Now you can see Hostinger has been propagated successfully. So I'll click on this. This is my domain I connected with Hostinger, as you can see. Now your domain is now protected. What next is go to caching, go to configuration, then just click on purge everything. Good. Now this should take 5 seconds. Let me open my domain. Okay, this is a subdomain. So let's see how it works. So as you can see, since I'm using a subdomain, I have so many subdomains using this domain name. I have over 50 something subdomains. So I have to just take this before the rest will propagate. It takes step by step. So let me just delete this and go to the normal main domain. As you can see, this is how it works basically. Now, if you go back to our Cloudflare, before we continue this section, go back to your Cloudflare. Ensure all these informations are here. Okay, this is for your domain, and this CNAME www, it helps for subdomains. Okay, which is important. Now, let me go back to the website and click on verify. Now, this is what user gets on their first visit to your website, and if your domain wasn't showing in certain countries, it will be showing now currently. Now, this my domain is empty. So there's nothing here. That's why it's like this. Okay. Now it takes time before it propagates all your subdomain, at most 24 hours. Let me go back to our Cloudflare. We added 2 domains, right? Let me go back to the other domain. Let's see if, okay, it's still invalid, right? Let me delete this and show you guys the next step. Good. So I want us to add this again. Let me go back to add and connect. So instead of us to import the DNS record automatically, we'll do this manually and click continue. So I want to show you guys how to actually do this in case you're seeing this for the first time when you just purchase your domain. But before you can do this manually, ensure your domain is linked to your hosting first. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is it. Now, we say the manual entry. I want to show you guys. Let me just delete all this. Let me delete all this 26 record. Now, in case you see something like this for the very first time, do not panic. Just go to your cPanel. If you have linked your domain to your cPanel before you are adding it to Cloudflare, then you come to, let's say it should be zone editor. So this is it. Then you just click on manage to that your particular domain. Now this is it. Okay. Now what you just have to do is you come to your name Cloudflare, click on add record. Now this here it should be your A record, then here should be at calls your name, your domain name, and just copy your IP address for your hosting server and paste it here and save. Okay, this is what you do. The next section here is click on add record. Go back again. Let's say this should be for your CNAME. Okay. Yeah. Go back again and click here. Search for CNAME. Okay. There should be mail. And here should be There should be your add-on domain, but it's best to just copy your domain, okay? Your domain and paste here. So this is how it should be, and remove it from proxy and click save. Next section, you go to add record, come back here. This www dot, which helps for the subdomain. You just come here. This should be CNAME, okay? Then come back here again and do the same process. Okay. Then click on save. You go to add record again. You just need to add all this record that's related to your domain. Also for FTP should be under A, right? There should be FTP, and here should be IP address. You click save. So this is how you do it. Then you locate MX, let's say for MX. Now this is MX. How to actually do this? Click on edit. You go back here, add new record, search on MX, and here should be, let's say, that should be your domain name. Okay. So here should also be your domain name, and take here to 0 and click save. So next section here is you go back to your zone editor, go to TX. Ensure to just do everything related to your domain. Just add it, especially your underscore ACM challenge, default underscore donkey key. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Actually, you just copy. This is for my domain. Okay, I'll copy this. This is for txt. I'll copy this, add new record, search on txt. I'll paste this. Okay, now for the content section, edit this. I should just copy this, copy it, and paste it under here. Then click save. So you go back again to your zone editor. What next to copy here should be, okay, you copy this, cancel. This should be our domain. Okay, go back again, add new record, txt. That should be your domain. Then for the content, copy this and paste. Click save. You get it? So go back again to your, I'm just looking for, okay, you copy this section here. Once you copy this, go back again, add txt. So I'm just showing you guys what to actually do and how you can be able to do it yourself. I'll copy all this and paste. Just in case you don't have the option to see all your importation for your DNS. Now the last one, let me just cancel this. Let me locate. Okay, let me just search on this. I want the one that is for my domain, not the subdomains. Good. Now, as you can see, we have something like smart hosts here, and we don't have that domain donkey. So we just have to use this. You copy this. Now it all depends on your hosting provider. Copy this and change it to it, txt, paste this, and also go back to your zone editor, edit this section. So you just copy this, paste here, take this down and copy this section and paste, then click save. So this is what you do, this is how you do it. Okay, then let me just click on continue to activation. Good. So this is our previous name server. I don't know why the host is taking too long to propagate. So I'll come back here and click what I updated my name server. So basically this is how it should be and this is how it works. Okay, this is how it works. As you can see, my Hostinger is working perfectly well. Now, for last but not the least, if you want to verify your hosting with Cloudflare, for instance, if Google shows you Deceptive and you're having issues on how to do that, if you have your domain on Cloudflare, it's easier to do. So let me just locate to Google search. Go to Google Search Console. Then I'll click on Start Now. So what next should I do here is I'll just have to index my domain. So let me just locate Hostinger and let me index this domain. So I'll come back here and paste it here under URL prefix, but I have to put HTTPS, then add a slash behind this, and I'll click on continue. Now we won't be doing this the normal way where we have to download and put this inside our file. No, we won't do this way. Just go down to domain name provider. As you can see, it shows you Cloudflare because our name server has been linked to Cloudflare. So I'll click on start verification. As you can see, this will automatically authorize Cloudflare and Google together to be able to index our sites. Now I'll do this again. Go back again and do this. As you can see, it works. So you have to do it twice or you do it once. In case it shows you that error, you just do it again. So I'll go to properties. Now, in case you're having those deceptive, you have to do this way through Cloudflare and automatically be able to get rid of the deceptive site ahead. So that is how it works, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment a big giant. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.